Okay, Pontiac fans, full-size luxury muscle in front of you in a 1968 Pontiac Grand Prix 428 4-speed. Look at that with those nice wheels on it. Beautiful chrome bumper. Very nicely detailed engine bay. Let's take a closer look at it. Yes, the owner wants us to make sure it's a 428. Okay. Very nice. And taking a look at down the body, you'll see that the body is very straight, very pretty. The silver color looks really good in this morning sun here. In this Englewood, South Florida, hood-mounted tack. Oh, gotta love it. Look at that. Console 4-speed, pedal dress up, everything you would expect from the Highline Buick in the Grand Prix. Or Pontiac Buick. I gotta get my GM division straight here and have a cup of coffee. Anyway, there you go. Look at that. Wonderful restoration on this car. Hearst equipped. That design on the rear bumper, matching the hood contour. Gotta love it. That's one thing back in these years, full-size GM muscle, luxury muscle. You can't beat it. So there you have it, Pontiac fans. A beautiful smoke silver Pontiac Grand Prix 428 4-speed. Wonderful car. Thanks for looking. Gauze Garage.